So I have seen many videos from people in Pakistan making L-Rutra yogurt using capsules and cultures available locally. Dr. William Davis originally made his first batch using BioGaia gastrus tablets, but the L-Rutra tablets available in Pakistan from BioGaia are not gastrus. They are BioGaia Protectus. So if you want to make your yogurt using gastrus, you will find it only on Amazon, which does not deliver to Pakistan, or iHerbs, which does deliver here, but there is a catch. When you pay online, there is tax deducted from your card, and when the parcel reaches your doorstep, you are charged extra import taxes. That's why I never recommend ordering from iHerb. It ends up very expensive. If someone you know is coming from abroad, ask him to bring it from Amazon instead. Now let's discuss what's the difference between Protectus and Gastrus, both from BioGaia. Protectus has one strain of L-Lutri, while Gastrus contains two different strains. Both are L-Lutri, but the strains are different. Protectus is generally for children and mild digestive issues, whereas Gastrus has two strains. It is meant for adults and provides stronger therapeutic effects like boosting oxytocin, improving emotional health, relieving anxiety and depression, enhancing sleep, supporting weight loss, and strengthening the gut health. So even if you have successfully multiplied your bacteria by fermenting your L-Lutri culture at 38 degrees Celsius for 36 hours, even then you will not be getting any benefits of Dr. William Davis's L-Lutri yogurt until you use the right strain. The right strain is in BioGaia gastrus, not in Protectus. So you will be using 10 BioGaia gastrus tablets for 1 liter of reduced milk, and you have to first crush these tablets, only then you can use them. You have to make a very fine powder like this. This you have to add to your reduced milk or to half and half as Dr. William Davis recommended. And I have shared the complete videos on how to multiply your L-Lutri using substrates other than inulin. Do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it to watch these videos. Anyway, Dr. William Davis has introduced another brand of L-Lutri called MyLutri, and this is in capsule form. And it is really easy to use it as compared to BioGaia gastrus tablets which you have to crush. You just have to open the capsule into your half and half or your milk. So if you are using the MyLutri with 10 billion CFU count, you have to add 2 capsules in 1 liter of half and half or reduced milk. But if you are using 20 billion CFU capsule, you have to add only 1 capsule for a liter of half and half or reduced milk. So if anyone wants 1 or 2 capsules of MyLutri of Dr. William Davis of 10 billion CFU count, you can easily take it from me. Just contact me on the given number. Because once you buy the capsule and make some yogurt, you can make new L-Lutri yogurt with the starter from the old yogurt also, provided the strain is right. Only then you will get the benefits. And although inulin is available in Pakistan, I have taught how to make L-Lutri yogurt with many other substrates. So let me know in the comment section below what culture did you use to make your L-Lutri and what substrate did you use. Take care till me next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.